I'm gonna make an awful celebrity. Oh my gosh,
no.
I can't handle this.
Oh. You mean when you marry Josh Groban?
When I marry Josh Groban, I'm totally gonna hide behind him.
This week for
Yes, I
about
did.
3
5
minutes.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yes,
What?
it was wonderful.
What?
It was
Wait,
that
we have
page.
time.
It was that page on the
Oh,
fridge.
I thought
Wikipedia.
I thought, like, my heart started racing when you said that. I thought you actually. Oh my god, Sarah.
But only for your sake. Because we've been dreaming of this moment for years. Oh my gosh.
For years.
So awesome.
I didn't even know who Josh Groban was until I looked at
And now you know.
More than
Alright. Okay.
hike run.
I'm not gonna lead in happy birthday because I can't sing.
Faith, you're up.
Yeah, Faith. You're
Alright.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Susanna. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, there's a tree there.
Stand up.
Come out.
Yay!
Yay!